echidna. E echidna. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. G is for gorilla. G gorilla. H is for hare. Hare. E is for Indian star tortoise. Indian star tortoise. J is for jerboa. Jerboa. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher. L is for lizard. Lizard. M is for macaw. Macaw. N is for nautilus. Nautilus. O is for ocelot. Ocelot. P is for puffin. Puffin. Q is for queen snake. Queen snake. R is for reindeer. Reindeer. S is for sloth. Sloth. T is for toucan. Toucan. U is for urchin. Urchin. V is for vola. Volvo.